Hello friends, I am Dr. Harsh Mathur from Om Netralaya, Varanasi, India. This video contains an operative procedure meant for eye surgeons for education purposes. Viewer discretion is strongly recommended. So today we will be learning about the direct horizontal chop, how to go about, what are the steps which will make it easy for the beginners. So for doing a horizontal chop, one needs to get a good hold of the nucleus by the phaco probe, and then the chopper goes towards the far periphery, holds the edge of the nucleus, spot towards the center closer to the phaco probe, and then the nucleus is split. So for students who are planning to learn the direct chop, it's always a good idea to first start with the horizontal chop. Triplanar incision, a horizontal nick, barely nicking the nimble vessels. And a side port approximately 3 clock hours away is made. 5.5 mm mark is made over the cornea, which helps me to guide my rexis irrespective of the size of the pupil. One should aim for at least 5.25 to 5.5 mm of rexis, as we need to go to the far periphery of the nucleus. So a small rexis should never be attempted, at least a 5.25 to 5.5 mm. A freely mobile nucleus helps during the maneuvers. A gentle hydrodissection is being done, freeing the nucleus, and with the help of a dialer, the nucleus is rotated. Now is the time to go in with the phaco probe. Bevel down, some amount of cortical matter is removed, then the bevel is turned up, the nucleus is held firmly subincisionally, the probe goes embedded towards the center giving a firm hold, and then the chopper goes towards the far periphery, holds the nucleus, brought towards the probe, and we get a good split. And in no time we have 2 heminuclei. Now again the same procedure, hold the nucleus firmly, go towards the far periphery, bring the chopper towards the probe, and we are able to get 4 pie-shaped quadrants. And now is the time to emulsify these. Bring the quadrants up one by one and be at the iris plane. You can sub-chop the quadrants if you wish. The probe should be at the central safe zone, and you can see the triangle being formed between the probe and the chopper, so which prevents the chattering the nuclei, and we are able to emulsify the nucleus. And now is the time to clean up the cortex. With a 22 gauge Simcoe cannula, we are able to remove the cortex. with ease. For cleaning the subincisional cortex, always go through the side port, gives better access and chamber stability is better. Once the cortex is cleared, wound resisted, implantation of the hydrophilic IOL is done. The leading haptic goes in the bag and the trailing haptic is then gently dialed in. And thoroughly wash the OVD from both in front and behind the IOL. So the take home message is, if you are planning to learn direct chop, start by doing a horizontal chop with the help of the phaco probe. Hold the nucleus firmly with the chopper, go towards the far periphery underneath the anterior capsular rim. Hold the edge of the nucleus, bring the chopper towards the center, cutting the nucleus towards the phaco probe, and then do the horizontal maneuver and split the nucleus. Thanks for watching.